In this video, we will create the education and work experience sections of the portfolio. First, let's add our section banners. They are in the usual folder. This time we will add both banners at once so you can see how to save a bit of time once you feel comfortable with your portfolio. They are titled Education and Work Experience. Let's make them full width, and we will move the Work Experience banner right before the Work Experience placeholder in parentheses. To do that, we're going to click on our image and select Move, then use the down arrow until it's in place. It stays in place when we click outside the image. Let's delete Work Experience and the Education placeholders. Now we are going to consolidate our text like we did in the project sections using backspace. I'm just going to add hyphens to make it easier to recognize the paragraphs. Here we go. We're ready to continue by adding a split layout. By using the plus, we can add a split layout. We'll use it to display Sarah's education with logos of the schools she attended. This image is also in our folder, and it's called Education Logos. Now, let's add in the text we prepared earlier. We can center it and separate our paragraphs. Algonquin College is centered, and H2. The second paragraph is centered, and Computer Programming Diploma is bold. Let's follow the same format for the next two entries. I made this image and the section banners in Spark Post that you can access from the Spark homepage. It was surprisingly easy to make. Post has lots of features to help you along the way and make your work look good. Here's the layout that I want to use. I'm gonna add images by selecting Image and uploading photos. Our logos are in a subfolder in our asset folders that is called Education Logos. Now I'm going to go and pick the Algonquin College one. That's the first one I want to insert, and it's going to be inserted within that first frame. I will rearrange it until I am satisfied with its placement. That's good. Now to the second frame, going back to the same folder, I want to add the Ottawa U logo. It is that first one. Okay, it's going to be inserted with its white background, and I'm going to move it up a little bit. And now I'm going to add the third logo, which is for the University of the Philippines, this one in the middle. Alright, gonna open it, add it. Alright, it's super big, so we can use the scale feature to size it down exactly the way we want it within the frame. And I want the background to be white like the rest, so I'll click in the background, go to color, and select the color white. That's it. It's now done. So I want to download this. I'm going to go to download, and in the sub menu I can download it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. I want it as a PNG, so I can just download it. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, that's it. So we have our post. You can use the midline arrows to change the order of the panels, and you can choose to delete the layout by clicking on a blank space in the text panel. The plus allows you to add text, but also images, buttons, and videos. Alright, now let's move on to the work experience section. We already have our banner, and we can format our text. Let's make the employer name Ottawa Catholic School Board H2 and center the rest. This section is done. In work experience, you can add your previous work experience even when it's not directly related to computer programming. It shows your other skills and your capacity to work effectively with others. Also, feel free to add a volunteer experience section to your portfolio. It shows what you care about and your willingness to invest time in the volunteering opportunities you chose. In the next video, we will make the contact section and add some personal interests.